Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing PS5 controller stick drift in a simple and safe way. First, turn off your PS5 and disconnect the controller. Gently clean around the analog stick using a soft brush or compressed air to remove dust and debris. Next, slightly tilt the stick and apply a small amount of isopropyl alcohol around the base, then rotate the stick fully to spread it. Allow it to dry completely before reconnecting. Now connect the controller to your PS5 using a cable and update the controller firmware from settings. You can also reset the controller by pressing the small reset button on the back with a pin for 5 seconds. Reconnect and test movement in a game. If drift continues, adjust in-game dead zone settings. These steps often fix stick drift without replacing the controller. Subscribe the channel for more videos.